Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about some things, but first, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. You might like them. It's a very diverse channel. We do spirituality, mental health, all that stuff. We do natural beauty and pretty much a lot of different things. So go check out you know, the playlists or whatever. If you're rejoining me, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. So yeah, let's get into the video. Today, what I want to talk about is ways to make your space brighter, lighter, ways to lighten up your space and make it feel more zen and just more enjoyable to be in, whether you have just a room or a small apartment or any kind of space, really, to be honest. I did a video like this way back when I first started my channel, and I included some things, but today I want to do like a revamp of that now that I have my own bigger space. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show you guys how I keep my space feeling open and airy and fresh and just really peaceful but cozy at the same time. So if you're interested, you guys, keep watching. So for me, the first thing, which is probably super predictable, if you watch my channel or you follow me on Instagram at Piece of V, also my podcast, another plug below if you're interested, you guys, is plants. Plants are such an amazing way to open up your space and just really have your space feeling peaceful and lighter and brighter. And yeah, for me, it just brings a whole other element to your apartment. Not to mention, certain plants purify the air. So not only does it give like a sense of visual peace and everything like that, and just color and brightness and fun and life to your apartment, but it literally cleans the air. So plants such as aloe plants, I think peace lilies, snake plants, all of those plants cleanse the air that you're in. So that's another fun fact. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys a little bit. You could see my big old snake plant back there. His name is Henry. He's a big boy. But yeah, I'll show you guys some of my plants so you see. If you have not seen my apartment tour, I will link it below. But I've gotten some new babies since then, so I'll just go around and show you some of my plants, you guys. This is my work desk, so don't mind the mess. But yeah, I just keep a whole lot of different plants. This is a ponytail plant. This is some dried lavender, which I love as well. It's not a live plant, but it's dried lavender. It smells so nice and it gives the room a cute little touch. This is, I believe, bird of paradise. This is a newer one. I'm not sure how to take care of her. I need to get into it, but this is what that one is. I hope she gets better. And over here we have the aloe. This beauty right here, which is also a new baby. Okay, that's what that's called, a poly. I keep my little tags in there so I could see how to take care of them. And then my ZZ, if you saw my apartment tour, you know, oh, she's not doing so well. I'm sorry. Oh, baby, I'm sorry. Oh. All right, I'm keeping hope alive. I even refreshed her soil, but let's see. Eucalyptus here that's dried. That's me. Hey, sis. I have a peace lily here, which does not have any flowers, but she's been doing pretty good. And then even in my bathroom, I have a bamboo plant. Hi, Henry up close. We have a little succulent plant here, a real one. And then last but not least, in my kitchen, we have another snake plant. And then even another dry flower here, just for the vibe, you know? So that gives you a little sense of how plants can really just like change the vibe of your place. Oh, how did I forget my biggest? This guy that I got from work who's flourishing. I'm not sure what this is called. I'm sorry. A lot of the times you'll find these in businesses and they grow like a bunch of them together. But yeah, this is my baby. Number one for me is plants. Number 2 is just natural light, you guys. So I mean, obviously you can't really control that if you already live in a space. If you're apartment hunting, I would definitely suggest that you get an apartment with a lot of windows, because the light really does change your mood and the vibe of your apartment. Yeah, I guess if you don't have a lot of windows or not a lot of natural light, I would say just really focus on keeping the colors in your apartment light. Like, for example, the paint on your walls, the furniture, stuff like that, the decor, the curtains, all of that stuff. Because when you have darker just decor and like paints and just furniture and stuff like that in your apartment, it can tend to make it look smaller and more closed in, you know what I mean? So if you want your space to look big and light and airy, keep the colors light. And yeah, I know for me, when I wake up in the morning, I like to just open my curtains all the way so that I get all the natural light, because that really does affect my mood. I also keep my windows open when the weather's nice. Even when it's cold, I always have it a little bit cracked, because I find that fresh air really does help my mood and just the vibe of the space. You always want to keep, you know, fresh air and circulating in your apartment for just mental health reasons, physical health, spiritual health. You just want to always keep the energy flowing in and out. So even if you can have it open all day, try to at least have it open for some portion of your day. Tip number 2, light and airy. Tip number 3 is candles, you guys, or just fragrance. Some of my favorite scents are vanilla. Did you see? Vanilla and rose. I have another candle over there that's a jasmine scent. Vanilla, rose, jasmine. Those type of scents are my favorite. But having your apartment smell good really does change the vibe. It really does lift your mood. It really does make you feel like being home. And it really does add another nice touch to the ambiance of your apartment. If you're not a candle fan, well, first of all, I would recommend soy blend candles, non-toxic candles. And also essential oil diffusers, because those are natural. That's a natural way to make your apartment just smell good. And then obviously the essential oil options are limitless. You can get any kind of scent you like, and it's all completely natural. You can get lavender, orange. There's like, you know, limitless scents that you can get. So your apartment smelling good, trust me, you will feel good, and it'll just make your experience of being home so much more zen and peaceful and amazing. The 4th thing that I wanted to tell you guys about how to keep your apartment cozy, coziness. You want to invest in textures, sheets, quilts, throws, couches, chairs, cozy areas for your apartment, that when your house is all clean and you light that candle and your air is coming through those curtains, girl, like you just want to sit and be cozy, right? If you notice, I have my cozy couch over there. I have throws all over the place. I have really soft sheets, really cozy blankets, because that really does create a little zen, you know, like homey, cozy feel for you, for your apartment, and just for your body when you're ready to relax, you know what I mean? So invest in comfy things. Invest in a nice area where you can just sit down and unwind at the end of the day or on your day off. You know, you could sit there and really like just feel, wow, like I'm here in my little space. I'm so comfy. I'm grateful. I'm cozy. And that goes along with number 5, just keeping your space clean, you guys. I cannot mention enough how important it is to keep your space tidy. I'm not saying it has to be spotless 24/7, but when you keep your stuff in order, as you can see, you have little messes here and there, but when you keep your space clean in general, the air is flowing, it smells good, and you know, you're keeping it tidy, your mood is going to shift dramatically. Your space is going to feel a lot more clearer. You're going to feel a lot more clear-minded. You're going to feel happier. You're going to be more likely to want to spend more time in your room or your apartment. And remember that your surroundings do affect your mental. So when you have clutter and mess and a lot going on in your physical surroundings, that's going to definitely affect your mental. Okay, so just think about it when you wake up. If you're waking up in a really clean and warm, you know, light, bright room with plants and it smells good, your mood's already gonna be better than you wake up in a dark room, it smells funky and it's dark. You know what I mean? Do you see that? Do you see the difference there? So just these really simple things can help you have a more pleasant experience, a more zen environment. Okay, again, I have my apartment tour linked below, you guys. I show you everything from my little humble abode, and you can get some ideas there if you want, okay? So I hope this quick little video helped you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions below, and let me know which tips you're gonna use, which one you liked, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys, and thank you so much again for watching my channel. I'll be back with another one soon. Love you.